in the long run. Coming on to rule 3, come back home before dark in the evening. Now this may seem to be very outdated and ominous concept. Come on, who comes back before 6:37 in home and who doesn't go out after dark? But the point is, this rule is, as I said earlier, to be used with a little bit of modifications. But this rule teaches you to be disciplined. Overall, I feel for younger children, they have to be back. If they can't be back, they have to be with the family or trusted friends. And for older children, also it applies depending on the requirement and the connectivity and the work schedules and other like responsibilities. But the point is, I feel if you are transparent about your company, transparent about where you are, transparent as to what you are doing, even if you come back by midnight, I feel you will be obeying this rule. And the second part is, you should obey the law even if when no one is watching. If you are doing that, you take it that you are obeying this rule, and it will help you to save you from bad company, and you will be able to avoid any and all kinds of addictions. If you are home early, you will be able to have your meals early, and then you will have enough time for your work or study. You will be able to rest properly, wake up in the morning after adequate rest and refreshed. Your life gets set in a predictable routine, and obviously you get shielded from mischief or wrongdoing. And you will have enough time in the evening, morning for your personal development, be it physical, mental, psychological, emotional, spiritual, for creating for yourself a better future. Overall, cumulatively, you will be able to lead a sober, stable, and emotionally well-supported life, which will open a vast vista of opportunities, with sky being the limit for your success, growth, and achievement. Your relationships will be balanced, your finances will be regulated, and you will have an assured peace of mind. What more can you ask for? I feel that these 3 rules are well established, and I will request the parents and the leaders to try and implement them in their families and in their workplaces. Obviously, they will have to be adjusted for the technological advances, the communication networking, and the work schedules and the study schedules of the children, as well as the responsibilities of the adults. With all the confidence and conviction at my command, I can say and vouch for that these 3 rules are still very relevant.